I overheard a woman whose beauty I admire actually. I overheard her speaking on the phone. I think she was she had reached the brink, like she had reached that like a elastic limit for her to be voicing that without caring. I will kill myself. I am tired of this life. So that made me to remember that there are so many people in this situation of hers that are thinking of ending their life right now. They're thinking that all hope is lost. If you're watching this right now and you're thinking of ending your life, maybe because of your marriage, maybe because of your finances, or just the weight of this life, don't scroll. Just give me a moment. We all know that life can become so overwhelming that you start to feel tired of fighting. You've been fighting and fighting and you are tired. Maybe your marriage is breaking or at the verge of breaking and you don't know how to fix it. Maybe you feel unloved, maybe you feel rejected, you feel constantly misunderstood. Maybe it's money, maybe you have debts to pay, you have bills, you have responsibilities, you have pressure from every side. It can be overwhelming, I must tell you. And you have tried everything and nothing seems to work. It might even be loneliness. You're surrounded by people yet you feel completely alone because it's like nobody understands you. Maybe it's a heartbreak, maybe you have a relationship that suddenly ended, maybe you have a betrayal that you didn't even see coming, or you had a dream that fell apart. Might even be a disappointment. You expected more from life, but life is nothing is just giving you, it's going the way you planned, Be battling secret pain, maybe you have fear of some things, you have anxiety, you have depression, there's shame, there is guilt, or there is emotional exhaustion. Just listen. None of these things mean your life is over. None of these things mean that you are useless. None of these things means that God has abandoned you. Before you go and harm yourself, before you end your life, talk to someone. Whether it's a counselor, whether it's pastor, whether it's a trusted friend, just tell them you need help. Speak out. And I don't mind. It sometimes can be the devil's workshop. Yes. Sometimes it's good to be quiet. Sometimes it's good to be, to talk. There's time for everything. But in this particular moment of your challenge, you need to speak out to somebody. Oh, if you feel you can't tell any pastor, you can't tell any counselor, talk to God. Talk to Jesus. He will hear you. Giving up on life is not the solution. Your marriage can still be restored. Your finances can still change. Your heart can still heal. Your life can still become beautiful again. Ending your life won't end the pain, but staying alive gives God room to rewrite your story. Please stay. Please hold on. Please give yourself one more day and give yourself another one more day after that, and keep giving yourself another one more day after that. Because what God can do in one moment can change everything entirely. You are not alone. Just know you are not beyond help and you are not beyond repair. Your story is not over. So, don't give up on yourself. So that is all I have for you today. My name is Gloria and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Glory Fishes brand. We are your number one credible, dependable and loyal crayfish and dry fishes brand in Nigeria. We sell different types of dried fishes that you can name. Boga, asa, mangala, fishes, crayfish, food condiments locally within and across states in Nigeria, and we export overseas. Patronize us today. We give value for your money. We can't run away with your money because we fear God. We serve our customers well. Patronize us today. We'll do you well. We sell in whatever quantity that you may need. But remember to always do good. Bye. Glory Fishes, 7th quality with integrity always.